Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Dear students, you have learned about vertebrates in the previous lesson. In this video lesson, we will learn about invertebrates. Invertebrates are those animals which have no backbone. Okay? As vertebrates have backbone, but invertebrates have no backbone. Okay? Invertebrates are also classified into following kinds. Let's learn about insects. Insects crawl on the leaves. They can fly. They can live in the ground. Insects are found everywhere. You also have seen them even at your home, like bees, ants, and butterflies. They are very common. They have no bones. Insects have three main parts of their body: head, thorax, and abdomen. They have 6 legs. Most insects have wings. Okay, next is protozoa. Protozoa are small and unicellular organisms. Unicellular means single-celled organisms. Okay, they are found everywhere. There are 3 different types of protozoa: amoeba, paramecium, and euglena. Okay students, now I will tell you about mollusks. They are also invertebrates and they are very different from one another. Their body is soft and covered with hard shell. They hatch from eggs. Examples are snail and octopus. Students, have you seen worms? Worms are also invertebrates. Worms have long and soft body. Their skin is moist. They breathe through their skin. As you can see, they don't have legs, that's why they crawl. Worms can live on land like earthworm. They can also live in water like leeches. Examples of worms are earthworm and leech. Next is corals. They live in sea water. Jellyfish is the example of corals. They work like an umbrella. This lower part of their body is called tentacles, which they use to catch their prey. Because they eat small fish, so they use their tentacles to catch them. Jellyfish swim in the water. Sea anemone is another example of corals. They also have tentacles, but इनके tentacles जो होते हैं वो ऊपर की साइड पर होते हैं. ठीक है? They also catch fish by using their tentacles. As you can see, these jellyfish are in many different colors, so they really look so pretty. Next is echinoderms. Do you know what kind of animals they are? Okay, I tell. Echinoderms are moving animals. They move very slowly. For example, This starfish has tiny feet at the lower part of its body. The body of sea urchin is covered by spines. Okay? Do you want to hear something interesting about starfish? Hmm. Do you know if a part of starfish cut down, it can grow again? Wow, it's really amazing. Examples of echinoderms are starfish, sea urchin, and sea cucumber. There is another kind of invertebrates, that is sponges. Many sponges are soft, but others can be hard and rough. They only live in sea or ocean. Sponges have porous body. It means that they have small holes in the body. Water can easily pass through their body. Do you know sponges had been used for washing in the old times? Okay, that was all about sponges. Okay, dear students, these all were the kinds of invertebrates. What are invertebrates? Yes, the animals which have no backbone. Okay, hope you have learnt all the points. Now, please note down your diary. Test on Friday, chapter number 3, reading, book page number 17 to 20 plus exercise. Okay, thank you.